My name's Dimitri with SergSupply. We're out here at our beautiful open house. We've got a lot of friends, old friends, new friends, and some friends leaving early. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a couple things today. First, we are headed up to SergSupply for their third annual open house. I'm really excited about this one. It's a little bit different for me this year because I don't have a van this year. So I got my truck, but that's okay. Dimitri and I are working on a couple of cool ideas of some things we can potentially do with the truck and do some overlanding stuff. So let me turn this music down a little bit. So excited for that. And then gonna do some camping tonight with Tristan and his wife and the dogs. And of course we got Louie. He's distracted, but we're loaded up. Obviously the truck's been through some transformations, which is exciting. And I'm excited to bring you all on this one. But we've made some changes. We made some tweaks. We've sold some stuff off. We got some new stuff put on. So I'll do a full walk around and kind of the current setup and the state of things here, probably in a little bit. But this first half of this video is gonna be the open house. So I'm gonna take you along on the open house. We'll show some vans. And this will be a lot like the first open house video that I did 2 years ago. Oh, actually no, this was last year's video. So I'll link that up above. And that was really fun because, it was it was a great turnout. Number two, it was the second one we did. And number three, that time I did some interviews and interviewed a handful of van owners and their vans and just kind of took you along, and we did an interview with Dimitri. So we're gonna do that again. Or at least I'm gonna try to do that again. So anyways, let's get after it. A little walk around. We got some 144s that are all built out, looking good. There's the man himself. We're gonna get some time with him in a little bit, but really awesome turnout here. Oh, yes. What do you want me to say?
Oh, whatever you want, buddy.
My name's Dimitri with SergSupply. We're out here at our beautiful open house. We've got a lot of friends, old friends, new friends, and some friends leaving early. Adam, looking at you, just kidding. But yeah, thanks to Zeke for showing up and being the crown jewel of the overlanding display here.
Relax. I mean, we've had a lot of fun. We've built.
It's right up there.
How many vans? How many things have we built?
Too many.
Yeah.
Not well enough.
Oh,
and never on time. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But we're not going to spoil it, but we have a surprise coming for you guys here very soon. So
we do.
Stay tuned.
We're working on some stuff. I'll give you one little hint. Right there.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll let you know how it goes. We'll let you know how it goes.
So if somebody wants to get your stuff, where do they go?
Go to Walmart.com. Just
Temu?
SergSupply.com. There'll be a link in the description below, assuming this is on a YouTube video.
It is. This is my third time. This is our third open house, dude.
Oh shoot! Yeah.
Remember the first one we had like 3 vans?
You got to show the sign then. All the signs you signed.
Yes.
With this year's sign.
It's kind of funny because now we're doing another interview. Again, a new van.
This is my new van, Brentford Van Speed. I just finished it like a month ago in collaboration with SergSupply, Van Speed.
Take us on a quick tour.
Let's take a look at it.
Here, hold that.
All right.
Remember when we did this last time?
Yes, I do.
All right, what do we got?
All right, this is what we're working with. This is my 144 SergSupply Murphy bed, a galley by SergSupply that we modified over at Van Speed with a slide-out toilet. Woo. So I can be comfy while sitting here and then watching the TV right behind you, Zeke, right there.
Awesome.
So kicking it, and then I got a fold-down chair right next to you and a table in front of it. So I could basically have like 4 friends kick it in here and hang out. If it's bad weather outside, we can play card games or whatever. Simple, normal battery, inverter system, wall panels, ceiling, everything by Serg. We wrapped at our shop. Made my build very easy.
I've never seen full hex on the site.
Yeah, it's a custom one that Big D hooked me up with. Yeah. I said I have some dumb ideas. What can you do for me? And he did it, and I'm very appreciative of the guy.
It's a beautiful van, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Big upgrade from the Transit. You gotta still love the Transits.
No, this is way better, dude. This is way better. I love it. I'm stoked. Yep.
Thanks, brother.
It. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Keep walking around. Tristan and Lauren's van. If you guys remember, we did this van. We recorded a video for this van last year. This awesome build. Still out there, still doing it, still doing the adventures. We'll probably go inside. We'll probably do a little tour, but this is why I come to these things. It's always a ton of fun when we come down here and look at vans, talk to people at vans, talk to people about getting out there and having a great time. And for us this year, it's a little bit different because we have the truck. So do a quick walk around on my 4th gen next to Dimitri's 3rd gen. So this is our truck. This is a 2025 TRD Pro. We got C4 bumper up front, Alpha Rex headlights, Tacoma Lifestyle Fang lights. We took off a roof rack, so we only rocking SS3 ditch lights, running our Blaze off-road power kit. We got C4 sliders. We got a cargo system from 63 Systems or Industries. We have our RSI Smart Cap. Yeah, we're rocking Method wheels, and these are on a 315/70/17 Toyo Open Country. So, yeah, you got Dimu's 3rd gen, rocking some black rhinos. Got a little custom wrap on here. This is super cool. This is looking good. He has his roof rack, cases. Yeah. First time we did this, 2024. We did a little signature, little plaque here. I think my name's in here. So actually, I'm dead center. There I am right there. And then 2025, where's my signature on this one? It's somewhere. Oh, there it is, right there. And then he's doing this again out in the shop. And people are getting this one signed up, so this is our 2026. So, yeah, booyah. All right, so I think we're gonna end the video there. We're going to do this, we're gonna hang out with some people, we're gonna hang out with some friends, and we're going camping tonight. So, that's it for now. If this is the end of the video, thanks for watching, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.